Hey there, it's Boots Owen here. This is an LG washing machine. It's an inverter direct drive 9kg F1402 FDS5. It's pretty grubby, it's pretty beat up. It's quite old, I reckon. I've got a feeling it's about 10 years old. Inside is the cold water hose that comes with it. More rust down here. What's that, 4-5 transport bolts. Ooh, I don't know actually, is that... There's no play. It doesn't sound great on the bearings. I think it's had a new door seal because it's not fitted properly and it looks really clean. Everything else looks a bit grim. Let's close up the door. What I want to do today is a test wash. So I've got it plugged in, I've got it plumbed in. Let's turn it on. Ooh, can you see that? It's got a little animation. Select a cycle, okay. Doesn't like that. It's just gone blank there. Let's try turning it on again. Maybe this one's a dud. Okay, it looks like we lost power somewhere, so try turning on the electricity again. So we lost power, tripped the RCD, but it's coming back on and it's just tripped again. Something inside is tripping the trip switch. Not good. It's just happened again. Have I had the top off on this one? I think I have, but I've closed it up again because I had a look at that steam function inside it. I don't know. These things, you see, they're not easy to use as smashing machines because what happens with them is they have a direct drive motor, so you have to run them on a cycle with the door open. I don't know how far we're going to get at all if we can't even turn it on. It's not great. This machine might be a little too fancy for me. I'll plug it out. I'll switch it off over here. Try turning it on again. I'm not going to do this all day because it's just a waste of time. So it had tripped the RCD again. Let's try switching it on again. Okay. Starts up, gives me an animation, LG, life's good, and then it goes out. And on the basis that the little radio that I have plugged into the same socket has also just gone off, I'm presuming this is a loser. I don't really know what to do about that. So what I might do is have a look inside, but in the meantime, this is a very short video, and as a test wash video, it sucks. But I need your help. Residual current means there's an earth fault maybe in there somewhere, which may be easy to spot, maybe not. Let me know if something happens, because there's a lot of people on this channel now who know these things. There's no error code, nothing like that, just tripping the switch straight away. And if you have any ideas for me, if you know that it's like a terminal fault, if you have any ideas of what I can do with it, because I can't really smash it because it won't go around, let me know. Alright, sorry about that is all I can say, but hey, tell me in the comments. Thanks for watching, see you later.